Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie here doing a really quick short video on how I make my #1 selling rose petal peppermint oil, the ultimate clear lip hydrating oil. So here you'll see me first disinfecting my area as we all should, and then getting ready to glove up. But before we get into this video, if you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video. These lip oils are very hydrating, and I know people don't like to share their secrets, but it is not a secret. Everything is organic, all natural, and cruelty free. I am using fresh rose petals that I got from Hobby Lobby, and also using coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and peppermint, Lawrence peppermint fragrance oil, and what else? The vegetable glycerin. Oh yeah, just to give you a little bit of shine. So here you'll see me, I got this plate for my rose petals, and also the bowl and plastic spoon. You can get these things from the Dollar Tree as far as the plates and the bowls. So yeah, I am going to stop talking at this point and get right into the video. These are my 4 ml. These tubes are 4 milliliters. I got these off of Amazon, and here you'll see me getting ready to load the rose petals first. I tried to use this tweezer, but that didn't work out too well because of the type of tweezer that I'm using. As you can see, it's a slant. It's kind of hard to pick up, so I went ahead and started loading the rose petals by hand. Sound like somebody eating chips. It gets a little messy, but as you can see, it is a lot faster to just try to put them in by hand. And you may, depending on your tube size, as you can see, have to crush them a little bit. I would like to see more flakes than crumbles, so I try my best not to crush them and then use my tweezer to kind of push them down. Yeah, so it seems a lot easier to just load them by hand. As I continue to fill these, I'm just going to let you all know, if you are not familiar with Real Blue Cosmetics, I am the CEO of Real Blue Cosmetics. You can visit my website. I have everything from lip oils, lip glosses, body butters, and a few accessories. So again, it's realbluecosmetics.com. Everything is cheap and affordable. There's also coupon codes available. And yeah, so head over to my site if you have not or are not familiar. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Real Blue Cosmetics, there to stay up to date on new items that I'll be adding to the site soon, to stay up to date on giveaways. I just recently did a giveaway. I'll be doing another one soon, and much more. So as you can see, it only took me, it's been about approximately 5 minutes for me to fill these tubes. And there was, this is just a total of 5. So yeah, it didn't take much time at all. And when I do my bulk orders, I do typically just go ahead and load all the flowers first and then do the oil last, or you can do either or, whichever is most convenient. So here I'm getting ready to mix my oils, and I do not measure my oils. I will soon, but here is my fractionated coconut oil. I just pour just the amount. I can kind of eyeball it because I know how much I normally need for my tubes. And as you can see, I am out. Let me open up this next bottle and pour a little bit more of the coconut oil. Can never have too much coconut oil. And then I'm going to go in with my vegetable glycerin. You don't need a very little amount of that, not too much. Then also vitamin E, which is very important. And just put, I think I put approximately maybe 15 or so drops of vitamin E. And then here's the L'Oreal's peppermint flavoring oil. So you get a combination of flavor and fragrance with this oil. So you just mix, 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 mix. And then just add a few drops. I put way too much in it. I need to start using a dropper with this peppermint oil. This peppermint oil, it comes out really fast, and a little goes a long way with the peppermint oil. It's very, very fragrant. So a few drops is normally enough, but as you can see, it kind of poured in a little too fast. So you just continue to mix, get everything all mixed together as much as you can. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Mix it, mix it, mix it good. So as y'all can see, this lip oil is very, 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 very clear. So I am taking this pipette here. I cut off the tip of it just so I can get a little more oil in at a time. So what I'll be doing is loading up the pipette and then inserting them in the tubes. So it's kind of hard. Here's the popping the stopper on there, but it's kind of hard to load these. I haven't figured out quite yet how to load them without popping off the stopper, but yeah. So here you'll see me loading this wonderful clear lip oil, and as you can see right through the tube as I load this. And this is so cute. And you can't even tell exactly where I'm at as far as the loading due to this being so clear. Look how clear this is. And it smells amazing. And it's just so cute. So cute. So there it is. 1 down and 4 more to go. But look how clear that is. Like, and it's so hydrating. But this is the part I was telling y'all about. So it looked like the stopper's not pushed all the way down. So that's the error. You have to make sure that you do not put too much oil in it. and press the stopper down till you hear it pop. And then insert the wand. But I'm going to go ahead and proceed and fill the rest of them. So it doesn't take no time at all. Like, depending on how many tubes you're filling, it don't take much time at all. The longest part I probably would say would be loading the flowers, but as you can see, that really took no time either. It just depends on how many you have to do. So for this order, I only needed to do 5. But when I do my bulk orders, it does take a little bit longer. But like I said, load the flowers first, mix your oils, and then use your pipette to load your oils. Sometimes you can also use these wands come with what's called funnels, and the funnels you can just put on top of the lip gloss tube and then just pour the liquid in, and that fills as well. And this is so satisfying to watch. So I will stop talking now and let you all continue to watch me fill the rest of these tubes. And before I get out of here, I'm coming nearing the end of this video. Just want to let you all know, if you would like to start your own business and you are interested in wholesale, I do sell these wholesale on my website. They are $7, but if you are purchasing wholesale, I sell them for $4 each with a minimum order of 5. So you have to order 5 or more to get them at the wholesale price. And again, if you are interested in starting your business and you would like for me to get these to you at wholesale, I'd be more than happy to. All you need to do is go over to Real Blue Cosmetics on Instagram, DM me, or comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And again, if you have made it this far, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I will be uploading, my next video will be me showing you how I will be making my unicorn body butters that I'll be adding to the site soon. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, YouTube. Lord Jesus, I know I said bye, but I needed to show y'all before I leave. Exactly, I didn't give you a close-up of what the end result looks like, so here you go.